Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Caleb's Fun World, season one. And I forgot. We had a little, not very good problem. I'm gonna bring it to a box to see if I can do we might have had a little situation, and it's a bad one, and my computer is driving a little bit. Okay, so I'm going crazy. No. Get out of the way, Carol. It's an emergency process. Bamboozle. I last time it. No! Go. Mind your Carl down really quickly, please. Go. 1, 2, 3. One more, give me one more, please. Give me one more. Okay, it looks like, okay, so it looks like God's Play Elm. Remember season 2? Yeah, we might have to play on that roller coaster until I can sort out this problem. Not as good as this one, but it will do, I guess. Fine, or, okay. So, because this is lagged out just now, so, I guess we'll go to season 2 world and then we'll see what happens there, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, took me a while. Computer was this thing. Anyway, so, I get on the way, and it looks like we have a hole. Yay. Hopefully this one doesn't break. Okay, yes. It didn't break! Stop there so I can grab this box here. Axe, do your dirtiest. Big dirties. Give me that box. Disgusting. No, that's actually not that. Never mind. Anyway, so, guys, I want you to think about this. Okay. Here's what I want you to do. If you guys can get me to 6 likes, crap. If you give me the 6 likes this episode, actually no, we'll do 10 likes. 10 likes for this episode, and guess what? I will do Bedrock Survival Series. Okay? If you get me up to 20 likes on this video, I will do a Java Survival Series. Okay? Do we have a deal? Good. I knew you'd understand. And I'm breaking iron with my... But I had to fix that platform, so... Sorry, Iron, but I had to fix the platform. I'd rather fix the platform than die in the void. So, you got to. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah. So yeah. So if you get me up to 6 likes, I'll do Bedrock. You get me up after this series, of course. But if you get me up to if you get me up to 20 likes, I will do a Java one, which I'm not very good at Java, so just remember that. I'm not very good at Java because I just got out of it. I think it was about a week ago, so I'm not very good at it. I'm getting better. So, ah! Oh yes, you scared me, you idiot! Crit! 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 Oh, I just barely survived that, and I'm gonna make me a sword. Making me a sword, making me a sword, making me a sword. Making me a sword. Give me a sword, give me a sword, I need a sword. I don't know what I'm saying, but give me a sword. And might as well throw it at the pickaxe too. I don't know, I didn't have any weapons except that stupid axe. And I just barely died to that thing. Okay, let's go on. I'm gonna use this axe as a defense. This is the only thing you got. Ah! Oh, yeah! Well, you're dead. Sucker! So if you want me to do that stuff, give me up some likes there. Come on, you gotta give me some likes. And I promise I keep my promises. So give me up those likes. Come on. So now you watch this. Iron, yay, iron. And now I'm gonna go make myself a furnace. I come here to do a furnace and I don't even have enough. Wait, do I have? Nope. Nope. Wham. I don't even have enough. I don't know what I'm doing. Do some more stone. I don't know what I'm doing. I can still. You know, I'm just gonna use this one pickaxe up. If it's iron, then I will use things with them. If it's okay, I should have enough. Yep, I have enough. Okay. Furnace acquired. Okay. Check. Okay. Now we're just gonna keep mining. We're gonna keep mining. This block, gonna keep mining. This block, and that thing just ran out. Well, I got another one. It's just bad. Oh, crud. Oh, take the one. You hurt my suit. I hurt your body. Wham. Okay, I gotta break this stupid thing with my dumb pickaxe. That's just not cool. Ah, not again! No. I hate these guys. I hate these guys. I hate these guys. Why do they keep jump scaring me? Hope another one doesn't spawn. Gravel, dirt, andesite, dirt, stone, fence post, and then I will go me. Okay. So yeah, and okay. I don't think you might be able to do this, and you never know. You might be able to, but if you do it, I'll do it. Give me to, let's go for 100 likes. You guys give me 100 likes and I'll make a Bed Wars video. Not Bed Wars. I'll make a Sky Wars or a game that I like. It's called Block Wars. If you've heard of it, it's really fun and I like doing it. It's really fun, but you guys might think it's boring. But if you guys want me to do stuff like that, give me 200 likes, like servers and stuff. Give me 200 likes and I'll do it. 100 likes. Not kidding. Not joking around. 100 likes. Want me to do the survival series stuff? 10 for Bedrock, 20 for Java. I know we can do it. I know we can do it, guys. I count on you. You can just if this video gets that, if this video gets that stuff, then okay, I will give you guys how many days should I give you? I will give you guys, when I post this video, I'll give you guys a week. I'll give you guys until next Saturday. Next Saturday, then, and if you guys didn't get any of them by that time, then we'll keep, well, I might do a Bedrock series later, but it won't be now, but I might do it later though. So, you never know. Might get a Bedrock series soon. But it ain't gonna be like now. I gotta finish these 2 series, of course, but season 1 might be pretty much over. This is both season 3, so this is just season 3. And stuff. And I'm thinking I might end the video here because I don't really know what to do. And I might just start a survival series and just quit these because I'm kind of getting a little bored of it. So, anyway, I'm just gonna finish this little pad here, so, okay. Well, I guess, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. You guys know the deal. 10 likes for Bedrock season. 20 likes for a Java season, and 100 likes for a server on Bedrock. See, okay, I like on the server if you guys want me to see playing Block Wars or Egg Wars or Sky Wars. If you guys want me to see those things, you do that stuff for me. And you got a week. You got until next Saturday to do this. So, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye! Hang on, just wait a second. I gotta show me my skin. See you guys next time. Bye!